Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about augmented reality technology. Augmented reality, AR, is a technology that superimposes a computer-generated image on a user's view of the real world, thus providing a composite view. AR differs from virtual reality, VR, in that VR completely replaces the real world with a computer-generated one, whereas AR enhances the real world with computer-generated elements. What are the uses of augmented reality? AR has a wide range of potential uses, including education. AR can be used to create interactive learning experiences that make it easier for students to learn new concepts. For example, AR can be used to overlay 3D models of animals or plants on top of real-world objects, or to provide additional information about historical landmarks. Manufacturing. AR can be used to improve the efficiency and accuracy of manufacturing processes. For example, AR can be used to guide workers through complex assembly procedures, or to provide real-time feedback on the quality of products. Retail. AR can be used to create immersive shopping experiences that make it easier for customers to visualize products in their homes or businesses. For example, AR can be used to overlay furniture on top of a living room floor, or to allow customers to try on clothes virtually. Gaming. AR is becoming increasingly popular in gaming, as it allows players to interact with virtual objects in the real world. For example, the game Pokémon Go uses AR to allow players to catch Pokémon in their own neighborhoods. Healthcare. AR can be used to improve the diagnosis and treatment of medical conditions. For example, AR can be used to overlay 3D models of organs on top of medical images, or to provide real-time guidance during surgery. How does augmented reality work? AR systems typically use a combination of sensors, such as cameras, accelerometers, and gyroscopes, to track the user's position and orientation in the real world. This information is then used to overlay the computer-generated images on the user's view of the real world. What are the different types of augmented reality? There are three main types of augmented reality. Marker-based AR. This type of AR requires the user to point their device at a specific marker, such as a QR code or a physical object. The computer-generated images will then be overlaid on the marker. Location-based AR. This type of AR uses the user's GPS location to overlay computer-generated images on the real world. For example, a location-based AR app might show you the location of nearby restaurants or tourist attractions. Image-based AR. This type of AR does not require any markers or location data. The computer-generated images are overlaid on the real world based on the camera's view of the environment. What are the future trends in augmented reality? The future of augmented reality is very promising. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and immersive AR experiences. Some of the potential future trends in AR include more affordable devices. AR devices are becoming increasingly affordable, which will make them more accessible to a wider range of people. Improved tracking technology. As tracking technology improves, our experiences will become more realistic and immersive. More widespread adoption. AR is still in its early stages of development, but it is expected to become more widely adopted in the coming years. Conclusion. Augmented reality is a powerful technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and immersive AR experiences. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos about artificial intelligence and technology.